Hi, first graders. Okay, we have another math story today. Actually, we have three. One that we're going to do together, and then you're going to do two by yourself like we did last week, so the same kind of pattern. Today, these math stories, they are harder. They're trickier. They're trying to make us confused. Isn't that crazy? They're trying to make us confused. So, what we have to do when we get stuck and we think, I'm confused, take a deep breath. And then we keep trying, and we try it another way. I'm going to show you how to do this one really well, and hopefully that should help you be able to solve the other two problems by yourself, okay? So let's read these together. We're going to kind of read it 3 times a little bit, and we're going to take our notes like we normally do for the 3 reads, and then we're going to figure out how to solve it. Okay, here we go. Are you ready to read with me? Ready, read. There are 9 more blue crayons than purple crayons. There are 16 purple crayons. Oh no! I just realized I made a mistake. Hold on, boys and girls. Just a second. This is supposed to say blue. Let me put that there. Blue. I'm so sorry, that's my fault. But as you can see, even teachers make mistakes. So, we fix our mistake and we move on. Let's start over again. Remember that this is blue. Ready, read. There are 9 more blue crayons than purple crayons. There are 16 blue crayons. How many purple crayons are there? En español, hay 9 crayolas azules más que crayolas moradas. Hay 16 crayolas azules. ¿Cuántas crayolas moradas hay? Okay? So we have to first think, well, what's it about? It's about different types of crayons. So I know that it's about crayons. Some are purple, some are blue, right? Different types of crayons. Now, what are the quantities and the units? Well, I know that there are 16 blue crayons. I see that. 16 blue crayons. And then I also see this quantity here, the 9. But it's not 9 blue crayons. It says 9 more blue crayons than purple. So I'm just going to put the word 9. I'm going to put the number 9. Because it's 9 more blue crayons than purple. So I still know that it's crayons. But that might be the part that's going to try and trick me and confuse me. So I want to be really careful about that. Okay. So I took my notes. Now what I want to do, I want to draw my tape diagram. That's going to help me think a little bit about it as I go. Okay? So I know that there are 16 blue crayons. It also says there are 9 more blue crayons than purple. So which one has the most, blue or purple? Which is going to be the big bar? What do you think? Is it blue crayons that's going to have the big bar, or purple crayons that's going to have the big bar? What do you think? I hope you said blue, because blue, it says there are 9 more blue than purple. So, we have our big one, and we know that that is going to be our blue crayons. And it already told us that there are 16 blue crayons, which means that our small bar, we don't know how many that is. But it's how many purple crayons there are. So that's for purple. We don't know how many. But we do know that in this spot is the 9 more. So that 9 goes right there. So there's 9 here, 16 on the bottom, and we need to figure out what this spot is. Okay? Now, before I continue showing you on the paper, I'm going to show you with some counters what my thinking is, which might help us understand the problem a little bit better. Okay, boys and girls, so here's what I'm thinking. I know that there are 16 blue crayons, so I'm just going to start out by putting 16 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 blue crayons, okay? And now I also know that it says there are 9 more blue crayons than purple. So I know that 16, blue has the most. It makes me think that I want to do 16 plus 9 because it says more than, but I know that I can't do that because if I add 9 more, that's going to make purple have a really big number, but blue has to have the biggest number. So what's the thing that we need to think about is what this word, these two words, more than, mean. If we have two words that say more than, that means one person has more than the other, or one color has more than the other. But how many more? Well, it says 9 more. 9 more than. So I'm going to take out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm taking away 9. Okay? So if blue has 9 more than purple, and I take away those 9 more that they have, then they should have the same amount now. Let's see, how many do they have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so then purple should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's check our work. Let's check our thinking. So blue has 16. We still have all of our 16 right here. But purple has less, and blue has 9 more. Let's see. Does blue have 9 more than purple? Well, let's match it up, and let's see how many more they have. Okay, those are the same. That's the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's the same amount, 7 and 7. But blue has these extra. Let's see how many more they have. We hope it gets to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it worked. Blue has 9 more than purple. Okay, 9 more then. So I see 7 right here. I see 7. And we kind of did a subtraction problem, didn't we? We started with 16, and then we took away those 9 more that they had, that blue had. We took away 9, and what did it get us to? It got us to 7. Oh, okay, let's go write that on our chart. Okay, we just figured out some really awesome stuff using our counters. Let's do it with a drawing. Drawing will be another way for us to help think about it. So, we know that there are 16 blue crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 blue crayons. Now, I'm going to write blue here so I don't forget that those are the blue crayons. We know that blue has 9 more than purple. So if we have purple down here, blue has 9 more than. So we're going to take away some of those extra ones that blue has. We're going to take away 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We took away, we had 16. We took away those 9 extra that blue had. And how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purple has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see down here, purple has a less amount, but blue has 16. So we know that was 7. We can also fill that in over here. Look at this. 16 blue crayons, 7 purple, 7 plus 9. What's 7 plus 9? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my gosh, 9 plus 7 is 16. That works out. So now I have to answer the question. I can't forget to answer the question. Question said, how many purple crayons are there? So I'm going to write, there are 6. Oops, not 16. Oh my goodness, I'm making so many mistakes today. Oops. There are how many? 7. There are 7 purple crayons. Ooh, I got a little squished over there. There are 7 purple crayons. Okay, are you ready to look a little bit about yours, the 2 that you're going to do? You're going to do 2 problems. This was mine. Now you're going to do 2 of them, okay? Just like last week. You don't have to do this one, but you're going to do the 2 new ones, okay? So I'm going to show you what those are. All right, boys and girls, here is your first problem that you're going to do by yourself. Let's read it together, and we'll talk about it a little bit, okay? Ready, read. Keisha put 7 glue sticks in the box, which was 5 fewer glue sticks than Jake put in. How many glue sticks did Jake put in the box? En español, Keisha pone 7 pegamentos en una caja, la cual tenía 5 pegamentos en barra menos de lo que Jake puso. ¿Cuántos pegamentos puso Jake en la caja? Okay, so first thing, make sure you write down and draw and think about what was the story about. What are the quantities and the units? And think about that question. So we need to make sure that we answer the question. How many glue sticks did Jake put in the box? Jake put something, glue sticks, in the box. You need to answer that by the end. So I'm going to give you a little bit of thinking. It says Keisha put 7 glue sticks in the box, which was 5 fewer than Jake. So think, who has more? Did Keisha put in more or did Jake put in more? That's going to be really important for you to think about. So I want you to pause right now, pause the video, and solve it, okay? Because we have one more that you're going to have to do. Pause and solve. All right, here's the other one that you are going to do, okay? So this one, are we ready to read? Ready, read. Peter had 2 crayons. Mike gave him 5 more. Then Lily gave him 6 more. How many crayons does Mike have now? En español, Peter tenía 2 crayones. Mike le dio 5 más. Después, Lily le dio 6 más. ¿Cuántas crayolas Peter tiene ahora? Okay, so we know we're going to write down what we think a story is about and our quantities and units. We also have to make sure we're going to answer the question. The question says, how many crayons does Mike have now? So we have to answer, Mike has something crayons. You have to make sure to answer that. Okay? All right. Before you're done, make sure that you take a picture of both your pieces of paper, and then you're going to read to me and tell me about your 2 different math stories. Don't forget to do both of them, okay? We have 2 math stories. And now, parents, I know that it's tricky. You really want to help your child. You want to help them succeed in this. But I also need you to make sure that I see what their work is. So even if they're maybe off track a little bit, it's okay. Leave it so that I can figure out, I can know how to teach them better. Thank you so much.